welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee and today I'm going to be making mint chocolate brownies. The first thing you need to do is just make your favorite brownie recipe. That can be from scratch or from a box, whatever you prefer. You just want to make sure to bake them in a 9 by 13 inch pan. For the mint filling, you're going to need 1/2 cup butter, 2 cups of confectioner sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of mint extract, and a couple of drops of green food coloring, which is of course totally optional. Then just mix that together until it's well combined. Next, just spread the mint filling on top of the cooled brownies. Now just cover this and put it in the refrigerator for at least a half an hour so that the mint filling can harden. To make the chocolate topping, you're going to need 1 bag, 12 ounces of chocolate chips, 1/2 cup softened butter, and 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream that has been heated either on the stove or in the microwave. If they don't melt completely, you can put it back in the microwave for 15-second increments. Now just pour the chocolate mixture on top and spread it out as evenly as you can. This next part is optional, but I found these Andes baking chips. They're really just chopped up Andes mints, and I'm gonna sprinkle a few of these on top. You can just leave it plain if you don't have the mints, or you could buy some Andes mints and chop them up and put them on top. It's really up to you. Now just pop these back into the refrigerator until the chocolate solidifies. Once the chocolate has hardened, they will be so much easier to cut. So here is what they look like once you cut into them. These brownies are so tasty and I really think you're gonna love them. If you make this recipe, take a picture and tag me on one of my social media accounts. They're all listed in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Lee'sHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye.